Investing in altcoins, is it worth it? Before we start, I would want you to hit that red subscribe button so that you never miss out on any of our videos. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to The Truthy. Bitcoin is revolutionary, but it isn't perfect. While Bitcoin may be the oldest and most known digital asset, there are plenty of cryptocurrencies, particularly altcoins, aimed to outstrip and domination of Bitcoin. But wait, what are altcoins? So in today's video, we are going to discuss investing in altcoins. Is it worth it? How does trading altcoins work? The hype of altcoins might have faded due to the attention to Bitcoin's bullish trend. The altcoin trend might have revived and to continue on the rise. Typically, altcoins can be bought and sold on various cryptocurrency exchanges, and the two main kinds are centralized and decentralized exchanges. But depending on the crypto exchanges, the types of altcoins each exchange offers are different from one another. However, most exchanges discourage the purchase of altcoins with fiat. That means traders would have to go to exchange Bitcoin, ETH, or USDT for other altcoins. While centralized exchanges, CEXs, often have a more extensive listing process. Decentralized exchanges, DEXs, like Uniswap, allows traders to purchase altcoins listed by the public. Despite its drawbacks, CEXs are often a safer choice for large-scale traders. How altcoins grow exponentially. Altcoins come in all shapes and sizes, and while they all share some similarities, most of them serve a specific purpose that is unique to that cryptocurrency. Bitcoin may be famous, but it was Ethereum that genuinely sparked the growth of the altcoin market. Not only Ethereum initiated the project by allowing users to deploy applications and create associated tokens on the network, it also means that anyone could make a cryptocurrency. On top of that, the recent boom in decentralized finance, or DeFi, and apps, DApps, a concept that started on the Ethereum blockchain, also contributes to the rise of more altcoins. Among the thousands of cryptocurrencies, only a handful and real utility, the world's first altcoin, Namecoin, isn't even in the top 300. However, as people create better and more inventive solutions to the world's financial problems, altcoins aren't seen as an inevitable byproduct, but rather a necessary part of the process. Should you invest in altcoins? Cryptocurrencies are a far cry away from ready for mass adoption. And until we can create useful user-facing applications for mainstream audiences, this is unlikely to change. So of course, investing in altcoins is a better choice to mitigate risks in the volatile crypto space. With the recent market movement, altcoins slowing catching the waves, still, altcoins offer the opportunity to be a part of this movement. A movement that is not just trying to bet on the right horse, but improve the sport as a whole. Recent investments from institutional players have brought an enormous boost to altcoins. In June 2020, international tech conglomerate Google announced the integration of its BigQuery platform with the Chainlink blockchain, a decentralized oracle network for decentralized data sourcing. On the other note, Grayscale Investments, one of the world's largest digital currency management firms, has crypto holdings worth nearly $10 billion, of which almost $2 billion are in altcoins. It seems simple to argue that if big players are doing it, you should too. The reality is that any investment is risky, and it's crucial to do enough research before spending any amount of money. A good rule to follow is that if it seems too good to be true, it probably is. Should anyone trade altcoins? Trading cryptocurrency is just like stock trading in a sense, whereby diversified portfolio always wins. So, even if one cryptocurrency has a setback, others can balance the risks and rewards. With about 5,396 altcoins to choose from, the only question you should be asking is which are the best altcoins to trade and what to look after when trading altcoins. Things to take note when trading altcoins. If you know what altcoins are and know how to trade cryptocurrency, then great, you're all set. Otherwise, there are some essentials you need to factor in. Check the altcoin's market cap and liquidity. Most of the time, an altcoin vanishes from sight because of the project is squandered by either poor management or lacks liquidity. When the crypto market hits its low, an altcoin with liquidity tends to sustain. Plus, when there's liquidity, it's much easier for traders to expect an ideal return. Considers the altcoin lifespan. Trading an altcoin at an early stage is indeed profitable, as it relies on speculations and wills interest. But hefty profits always come with risks. To avoid these uncertainties, try trading on reliable altcoins like Ripple, XRP, or Litecoin, where a stable trajectory represents. Watch out for scams. The creator of altcoins typically holds a large amount of circulating supply. When one entity dominates the power, it's likely for pumps and dumps to happen. To better evaluate an altcoin, try to assess its policies and its projections. Stick with altcoins that possesses a reliable portfolio and reliable blockchain and utilizes smart contracts. How do altcoins differ from Bitcoin? In October 2011, Litecoin became the silver to Bitcoin's gold. While it wasn't the first altcoin, it's one of the oldest cryptocurrencies still used today. Litecoin shares much of its DNA with Bitcoin, with some key differences. While both networks use a proof-of-work consensus mechanism, Litecoin uses a sequential memory hard function that requires more memory. Further, Litecoin only takes 2.5 minutes to mine each block, making transactions much faster than on Bitcoin, which takes 10 minutes to add a block to the main blockchain. Monero is another altcoin focused on making transactions private. It uses ringed signatures and special cryptographic functions to maintain the anonymity of its users. While Bitcoin and most cryptocurrencies are often thought to offer privacy, most transactions are entirely traceable. Bitcoin is more pseudonymous than anonymous, in that transactions are public, but it is not known which addresses belong to whom. Other altcoins also offer features like governance, smart contracts, and interoperability. The types of altcoins. As the number of altcoins started to grow, the community split their nomenclature based on utility. From mining-based cryptocurrency, stablecoins to security tokens, each category of altcoin serves a purpose. Mining-based cryptocurrencies. Mining-based crypto is altcoins that are supplied through a mining process. By using decentralized nodes, the network solves mathematical problems to record data to the blockchain. As an exchange, miners will receive a reward in the form of tokens. Bitcoin is one such token, as is any altcoin that uses proof-of-work consensus algorithm. Security tokens. This type of altcoin is associated with a business that more closely resembles traditional stocks like the ICO. In many cases, they offer a form of dividend through a payout or fractional business ownership. The most common payout is with a dividend. Utility tokens. Utility tokens function slightly differently in that they provide a claim on services. Besides, it's also designed to be exchangeable for prominence and decentralized utilities like storage space. Stable coins. Stable coins are cryptocurrencies pegged to the value of a fiat currency like the US dollar, hence eradicating the volatility like Bitcoin. While the most prominent stablecoin is Tether USDT, whose market capitalization has grown exponentially since its launch in 2016, unlike other altcoins like ETH or Link, its value fluctuating around $1. Whereas Facebook's Libra is highly anticipated by the public since its announcement to launch in 2020, but will only roll out as soon as Libra meets the appropriate regulatory approval. What are the best altcoins? Choosing an altcoin to trade or invest in can be difficult, especially which are over 5,000 coins available today. Traders alike need to understand what to look for when parting with the capital. On top of that, ensuring the project's validity is crucial when assessing the difference between incredible gains and crippling losses. A report from 2019 shows that 95% of altcoins listed on CoinMarketCap were illiquid, making them practically worthless. Ethereum, ETH, Ripple, XRP, Tether, USDT, Chainlink, Link, etc. This brings us to the end of our video. I hope you enjoyed it. Hit like if you did, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on any of our videos in the future. Also, watch the two videos that are on your screen because I am sure that you'll love them. With that, I'll see you in